Hi there. Welcome to Bionex. Today we are going to discuss about the genetic lottery, which is often referred to as the genetic lottery of life. It is a fascinating concept that dives into the inheritance of genetic traits from our ancestors. Our genetic makeup, encoded in our DNA, is a complex combination of genes we inherit from our parents and, in turn, from our ancestors. Let's explore this topic in detail. Genes are the basic units of heredity, and they carry the instructions for building and maintaining our bodies. We inherit half of our genes from our biological mother and half from our biological father. This inheritance is the foundation of the genetic lottery. It means that the traits we inherit are like a unique combination of genetic cards dealt to us. The genetic lottery encompasses a wide range of traits, including physical characteristics like eye color, hair type, and height. It also affects our susceptibility to certain diseases, such as diabetes, heart conditions, and even some genetic disorders. Beyond the physical, it influences our psychological traits, intelligence, and predispositions. The famous geneticist Gregor Mendel introduced the principles of inheritance. According to Mendel's laws, some traits follow simple patterns of inheritance. For instance, if both parents carry a gene for a specific trait, like brown eyes, their child is likely to express that trait. If not, then it may be recessive and the trait remains hidden within their child and can resurface in future generations. Many traits, however, are not governed by a single gene but are influenced by multiple genes and environmental factors. These complex traits, such as intelligence, height, skin color, or susceptibility to diseases like cancer, are the result of interactions between various genes. In recent years, the study of epigenetics has shed light on how genes can be turned on or off due to environmental factors, lifestyle choices, and even stress. This means that, to some extent, we have control over how our genes are expressed. Your genetic inheritance isn't limited to your parents. It extends back through generations. Ancestors from different parts of the world contribute to your unique genetic mix. This is why people from various regions may have distinct physical traits, but it also explains why certain diseases are more prevalent in specific populations. The genetic lottery isn't about winning or losing, but rather about the randomness of genetic combinations. Some individuals might inherit favorable traits for a long and healthy life, while others may be more predisposed to health challenges. It's a matter of luck and chance. Understanding your genetic heritage can be extremely useful for making informed decisions about your health. Genetic testing can reveal your predisposition to certain conditions, allowing you to take proactive steps for prevention. You can get information about your genes through genetic counseling. Genetic counseling has emerged as a valuable service for individuals and families. It involves understanding one's genetic risks and making informed decisions based on that knowledge. Genetic counselors help people navigate the complexities of their genetic inheritance. Over the years, significant advancements in genetic research have unlocked many mysteries surrounding the genetic lottery. The Human Genome Project, completed in 2003, mapped out the entire human genome, providing invaluable insights into our genetic makeup. This project allowed scientists to identify specific genes responsible for various traits, and the genetic lottery also raises ethical and moral questions. Should we have the power to select or modify our children's genetic traits? This issue becomes more complex with the advent of technologies like CRISPR-Cas9, which can edit genes. Such advancements force society to grapple with questions of where to draw the line in terms of genetic manipulation. In many cultures, the genetic lottery plays a significant role in determining social hierarchies and even personal identity. Some societies place great importance on certain genetic traits, leading to issues of discrimination and prejudice. For example, in Japan, there is a popular belief that a person's blood type is linked to their personality traits and compatibility with others. This belief, known as Ketsukigata, has cultural significance. For instance, people with blood type A are often described as earnest and cautious, while those with blood type B might be seen as creative but unpredictable. Blood type AB individuals are thought to be rational, and blood type O is associated with confidence. This belief influences personal relationships, including dating and workplace dynamics. People often inquire about each other's blood types as a way to gauge compatibility. Conclusion. In the genetic lottery, we inherit a unique set of genetic traits from our ancestors. It's a combination of simple Mendelian inheritance and complex interactions. This genetic heritage influences everything from our appearance to our health, and even our mental attributes. While we can't choose our genetic cards, we can play them wisely by understanding our genetic makeup and making informed decisions. That's all for today's video. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with friends who might be interested. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on science, genetics, and so much more. Thank you for joining us on this genetic journey. Stay curious, stay informed, and until next time, keep exploring the wonders of science and the mysteries of our genetic inheritance.